To set up Webull charts, start by logging into your Webull account and navigating to the Markets or Watchlist section. From here, select the stock or security you wish to view and click on the chart icon. This will open the chart interface, where you can begin customizing your setup. First, choose the time frame for your chart, ranging from 1 minute to 1 year. This will determine the amount of data displayed and the level of detail. You can also select the type of chart, including line, candlestick, or bars, depending on your preference and the type of analysis you want to perform. Next, add indicators to your chart to gain deeper insights into the market trends and patterns. Webull offers a wide range of technical indicators, such as moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. To add an indicator, click on the Indicator tab and select the desired option from the list. You can also draw on the chart using the drawing tools, including lines, arrows, and shapes. This allows you to highlight key levels, trends, and patterns, and to add notes and comments to your chart. In addition to customizing your chart, you can also set up alerts to notify you of specific market conditions or events. This can be done by clicking on the Alert tab and setting the desired parameters, such as price levels or indicator signals. To get the most out of your Webull charts, it is essential to understand the different types of charts and indicators, as well as how to interpret the data. Practice using the different features and tools, and experiment with different setups and strategies to find what works best for you. By following these steps and tips, you can set up effective Webull charts that provide valuable insights and help you make informed investment decisions. Remember to stay up to date with market trends and analysis, and to continually adjust and refine your chart setup as needed.